Ever dreamed of bringing your ideas to life? Discover the step-by-step process to create an eye-catching flipbook that will wow your audience, whether for storytelling, portfolios, or presentations. This guide will turn your visions into reality. No design experience needed. So hello guys and welcome in this video where I will show you step by step how to make a flipbook in Canva. So the first step that I have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. So this is the home page as you can see. So to get started you have just to sign up and you write your email address and your password. So it's very easy. So I already have an account. This is my account. I will click over home and I will find this page as you can see. So are you ready to unleash your creativity? In this guide you will learn how to create an engaging flipbook using Canva's intuitive tools and templates. Let's transform your ideas into a tangible experience. So watch this video until the end and follow the simple steps and you will be able to create your own flipbook. So don't forget to like and comment and subscribe, and let's get started from the scratch and making together our own flipbook with our ideas. So here we have the home page. You have just to search for books like that, and as you can see here we have the books, and I will just click over for example this one. Also you can click over see all and you choose the thing that you want. For example this one, we have here all your content and Canva templates. So let's click for see all and you will find here these options. So you can select the category that you want. For example, is related to the business, social media, to education, and also choose the style you want, the theme, the language, the feature, and we have a grade also, subject as well, topic, and here we have the price and also the color. For example, this color, I will select this one. Then we have it the price and the color. Also you can choose other niche that you want. Then you click over apply and you will find these books as you can see. So you choose the book that you want. For example, I will select this one and I will click over customize this template. So here we have the book. So you choose the background that we want. For example, you click over here and you choose the background. Also here we have here the other background. So for example, you can just go to the uploads and you select the background that you want. For example, here we have this background and then you have just to delete this one and you will just be able to choose your background. So here we have it. Also you can duplicate this page if you want. So here we have just add page like that. If you don't like the background, you click over here and you add the background that you want. For example, I will go to the uploads and I will search for my background that I already chose. For example, this one. Then I will just modify it like that, as you can see, about the size, and then you put whatever you want here. For example, I will just go here and I will just copy it and paste it in the second page, and there we have it. Right now I will choose the, for example, I will write for example here other things. I will go to the text and I will click over add heading. I'll put it here and here and the top, and I will choose also the size and the color. So I will let the black one, it looks better. So for example, I will write our circuits, for example, secret, and here we have it. Right now you can add other things. For example, I will also copy this one and I will put it here like that, and here we have it. And I will write my name here for anticipating here and I'll put it here. For example, write Alex like that. This is the name of the writer, and then I will just delete all this one because I don't like it. Just click over here and here we have it. You can also duplicate this page and also you can add other page like that. For example, you choose also the background that you want. For example, I will select here the white one. For example, like that. Then you have just to go to the add heading and you add the text that you want. I will just right here, for example, For example, I will just put it here like that. They will choose the size of this one. I will just put it like that, and I'll modify all these things. For example, I put it here, or I put it 30, and here we have it. Here I add my text, as you can see. So once you're done, you have just to select. For example, I will delete this one, or I will just let it like that. Also, you can duplicate this page if you want. Click over duplicate like that, and you can add other page if you want. So right now you have just to click over share, and you click over see all here, and you scroll down and you'll find other things which is design here. You click over simple bucket here, and you'll just click over save like that, and you have just to wait here, prepare your design. So let's wait, and then you have to continue editing if you want, or you have to go to your home page and you make another one. So right now I will just click review and simple booklet flip. So right now what we have here, the account, you have just to log in and you write your email address. For example, write my email address, and I write also my password as well. And here we have logged in to simple booklet. So let's wait, and we have here the dashboard, as you can see. And as you can see, we have our one. You click over convert like that, and you will find it like this. So let's wait. If you have a lot of page, you have to wait some minutes, or if you have just 3 pages or two, you have just to wait a few minutes like that. So let's wait for it. So here we have it. This is our flipbook. You have just to click here, and this is how it looks like that. Here we have it, as you can see. And there you have it. You are right now successfully created a stunning flipbook in Canva that brings your ideas to life. Don't forget to share your masterpiece and let your creativity shine. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more design tips and tricks. Happy flipping! So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys, and have a fantastic day ahead.